Hello students, good morning. I am NK Jha from APS. We have to discuss the articles in details where we can use A and N. But something I want to tell you, before this class we have studied, we have already taught you some special facts and gender rules which is already read by you in earlier class. So according to determiners we have to follow, we have to concentrate how it works in the sentence. By the help of concept we can try to understand, we shall able to understand. I think you will have no any problem whenever you will be in the chapter of determiners, especially in articles. So in previous class we have studied about the pronunciation like you and wo, and the next rule was when the pronoun of H is aspirated, then have to use an article in the sentence, but the condition is pronouns of H will be aspirated. That means aspirated means we have to understand aspirated means ना के समान छुपा हुआ हो. Understand? That means the pronouns of H will be silent. Then have to use an article in the sentence. But one fact was remained. Today I shall discuss it in details. So rules number 4. Determiners. Topic is articles. So position of A and N we have studied. One more rule we have to follow. So mark my point. Number 4. When the pronouns like A, understand? E in short form, in abbreviation. Short form means abbreviation. In short form, when the pronouns like a, whether the word begins with consonant, yet we have to use an article. Listen to me, very very marvelous point. This is very very important topic. We are reading indeterminers, especially in articles. This is not general rules. This is a special one. So I have written. This is number 4. So in short form means abbreviation. In abbreviation, when the pronouns like a, whether the word begins with consonant, no any problem we have, yet we have to use n. फिर भी हमको n का यूज करना पड़ेगा. Only these 3 parts we have to maintain, we have to remember, we have to memorize. The sound will be like a, e. These are the 3 conditions we have to apply. So through example we shall try to understand how we can use articles n before it when the pronouns like this is given in the sentence. So have to follow with example. C is, fill in the gaps. He is IPS. Next one, he is BA. These are the words given in the form of abbreviation, given in the form of short. This is short form. In short, we have to calculate, we have to analyze after understanding the particular rules, special rules. We can decide easily have to use a or n. But I have written the pronouns like a or e. Whether the word begins with consonant doesn't matter. This is consonant. This is consonant. A, E, yet we have to use n. फिर भी हमको n ही यूज करना है. तो एब्रीविएशन में शब्दों का उच्चारण m. ए आ रहा है या नहीं? Pronouns like a. m, ए आया. I, ऐसे ही लिखते हो आप लोग आई. Pronouns like this. So this kind of criteria, whenever you find have to apply, have to use n articles because this is the right way and this will be correct. So n will be correct. C is an m में he is an IPS officer. He is BA. B आप कैसे लिखते हो जरा? This is not relating with this. So we have to put a article. We have to place a article and we will be correct. Okay? So he is a BA. He is a BA. कोई डाउट? कोई प्रॉब्लम? आई थिंक इट्स वेरी वेरी क्लियर. यदि शब्दों का उच्चारण ए आ ई के समान हो, इन ऑल सर्कमस्टांसेज हम लोगों को हर हालत में एन आर्टिकल प्लेस करना पड़ेगा. अगर हम ऐसा नहीं करते हैं, आई मीन टू से we shall be 100% incorrect. That means wrong. So when the pronouns like a or e, whether the word begins with consonant, yet we have to use n in the sentence according to determiners. So very very special one, and this is the abbreviation form. Abbreviation means short form of words, and he an IPS. This is also abbreviation form, and he fill in the gaps BA, and this is abbreviation form. So in abbreviation like this condition, whenever you have to use an article, otherwise have to put a article in the sentence. It's clear? Okay. Next rules. Use of a in different ways in some expression we have to follow and have to read. Okay, different use of a in a different way. Use of a in a different way. Okay, use of a in a different way. This one, the articles. Okay, so in some expression, in some expression okay, in some expressions, through example we shall try to understand, and this is the next rules, and this is last rules according to standard 8, and I mean to say according to standard 9, 10th, 11th, 12th also it's equal. No any doubt, and without hesitation we can prove chapter determiners according to articles. Clear? So the rules, the words we have to follow, just like delight. Delight. Okay. Next one, same. Next one, same. Next, headache. Headache. Next one, at a loss. Loss. Like this, we have to follow these kinds of words always used in chapter determiners and chapter determiners, whenever it is used and we have to place a article before it. Okay, so we can write a delight, a shame, headache, a loss, and according to sentence we have to arrange the words. Okay, after that accurate and complete sense will be find. So first one, a delight, a shame. Just example, what a shame. I have told what a shame. SHAME ये लगाया ना, तो some words always followed by a articles in the sentence, and after that it is correct, otherwise it's incorrect. So always follow these words, and some words, some more words are given in your chapter, in your book. So from books you can read, you can learn, and you can note. This is the word placed with a articles. So some words we have written, I have written, but next one, if you have a book, then you can consult from the books and you can read it very easily. And once again, and I want to repeat such words. So mood, that means a good mood. ओके, इन अ गुड मूड, मूड जब भी यूज करेंगे तो उसके साथ जो है सो प्लेस्ड करेंगे. ओके, और मूड के पहले एडजेक्टिव्स यूज होगा विद, बिकॉज इट इज यूज्ड इन टू कंडीशंस, बैड और गुड. अंडरस्टैंड? शॉर्ट टाइम बिफोर you have to place a. Okay, disgrace always placed by a. Understand? Nuisance, a nuisance. Bother, a bother. Dilemma, that means a dilemma. Okay, and fright, that means a fright. Whisper, a whisper. These are the words always used with article a. In some expression we can use in different ways, and I think it's correct, and it's my suggestion. You will have to read it, otherwise you will be in great problem. And I think in this class I have finished articles an, that means indefinite articles, according to your standard. If you will able to understand it, you will able to learn it, I think in whole life you will have no any doubt, particularly in the chapter of determiners, and the topic will be article, that means indefinite articles. Okay, so indefinite articles is finished by me, and you will have to learn it very nicely. In next class I shall try to read, try to understand the position of the, and where and how we can use definite article the. Okay, thank you very much.